Okay, let's talk about money bill today. Money bill, Article 110 talks about money bill. Money bill is a special kind of bill. We will get to know what about it, and also the process of converting a bill into act. In case of money bill, it's a little bit different. It's not like any other bill. Even those things we'll learn here. Okay, now the thing that we have to remember is that Article 110 talks about money bills. This kind of questions could be asked by UPSC, so just keep that in mind. Okay, at clause 1 says, for the purpose of this chapter, a bill shall be deemed to be a money bill if it contains only provisions dealing with all or any of the following matters. So like if following things are present in any bill, then it's called a money bill. Okay, first thing, A, the imposition, abolition, remission, alteration, or regulation of any tax. It's pretty simple. Like if any new tax has to be imposed, or if an existing tax has to be abolished or altered, then if any such provisions are present in a bill, then that bill is known as a money bill. B, clause subclause B says the regulation of the borrowing of money or the giving of any guarantee by the government of India or the amendment of the law with respect to any financial obligation undertaken or to be undertaken by the government of India. Once again, it's clear, like if government of India wants to borrow any money or it wants to give its guarantee for any kind of borrowing, then even that if any provisions are present in such a bill, that bill is also called a money bill. C. Subclause C says the custody of the consolidated fund or the contingency fund of India, the payments of monies into or the withdrawals of money from any such fund. Again, the consolidated fund and contingency fund, like this will be explained in other videos. Like, and the thing that we have to remember is that if any money wants to get into that, or if it has to be retrieved from those funds, even if those kind of provisions are present in a bill, then that bill is known as a money bill. And there are many other things like the appropriation of monies out of consolidated funds of fund of India, something similar to that. The declaring of any expenditure to be expenditure charged on the consolidated fund of India, or the increasing of the amount of any such expenditure. It's also pretty clear. The receipt of money on account of the consolidated fund of India or the public account of India, or the custody or issue of such money, or the audit of the accounts of this union or of a state. Next, any such incidental or any matters specified in subclause A to F. Next, a bill shall not be deemed to be a money bill by reason only that it provides for the imposition of fines or other pecuniary penalties, or for the demand or payment of fees for licenses or fees or services rendered, or by reason that it provides for the imposition, abolition, remission, alteration, or regulation of any tax by any local body or body for local purposes. So like municipalities and all that, like if any tax should be imposed by municipality or something like that, then that particular tax bill cannot be considered as a money bill. And so like if the government wants to put some kind of fine or something like that, like for example, for in case of traffic police, like if there is any penalty for not wearing seat belt or something like that, I mean it involves money, but it can't be considered as a money bill. And once again, like let's say panchayat or municipality wants to impose some tax, small tax on some property tax or something like that, then that's is not called as money bill, because those are local bodies. Next, if any question arises whether a bill is a money bill or not, the decision of the Speaker of the House thereon shall be final. This is very important from UPSC perspective. Like who decides whether bill is a money bill or not? Like only the Speaker of Lok Sabha can decide a bill is money bill or not. That's very important that we have to remember. Next, 4, there shall be endorsed on every money bill when it is transmitted to the Council of States under Article 109, and when it is present to the President for assent under Article 111, the certificate of the Speaker of the House of the People signed by him that it is a money bill. So, same thing again, like while sending it to the Council of States, that is Rajya Sabha, Speaker should say that it is a money bill. And also the same thing to President, like while sending it for presidential assent, it should be mentioned that it's a money bill. That's because actually other bills can be sent back by the president, but a money bill cannot be sent back by the president. Also, there are some exceptions for Rajya Sabha for money bill. Also, like we know that money bill can be initiated only from rather introduced only at Lok Sabha, not from Rajya Sabha. This is all about money bill.